To track hotel points in Awardwallet, start by creating an account on the Awardwallet website. Awardwallet is a free service that allows you to track your loyalty program balances, including hotel points, across multiple programs. Once you have created your account, click on the Add Account button and select the hotel loyalty program you want to track, such as Hilton Honors or Marriott Bonvoy. You will then be prompted to enter your loyalty program account number and password. Awardwallet will then link to your hotel loyalty account and retrieve your current point balance. You can add multiple hotel loyalty programs to your Awardwallet account, making it easy to track all of your balances in one place. One of the key features of Awardwallet is the ability to set up balance updates, which will automatically update your point balances on a regular basis. This ensures that your point balances are always up to date, without you having to manually log in to each loyalty program website. In addition to tracking your point balances, Awardwallet also provides expiration reminders, which will alert you when your points are about to expire. This helps you to use your points before they expire, ensuring you get the most value out of your loyalty programs. To get the most out of Awardwallet, it is best practice to regularly review your account to ensure all of your loyalty programs are linked and up to date. You should also set up balance updates and expiration reminders for each program. By following these steps and using Awardwallet to track your hotel points, you can easily keep track of your loyalty program balances and make the most of your points. Awardwallet is a powerful tool that can help you maximize the value of your hotel loyalty programs, and is a must-have for any frequent traveler. Overall, tracking hotel points in Awardwallet is a simple and straightforward process that can help you to get the most out of your loyalty programs by linking your loyalty accounts, setting up balance updates, and using expiration reminders. You can ensure you never miss out on rewards and always get the best value from your points.